SafeLink provides subsidized cell service to eligible low-income individuals. Reactivation is the process of restoring service after it's been suspended due to non-payment, exceeding data caps or eligibility issues, or after expiration following a grace period. As of October 2025, the reactivation process emphasizes digital methods and stricter verification to combat fraud. Eligibility is based on income or participation in programs like Medicaid, SNAP, or SSI. Reactivation is generally free if you still qualify. Recent FCC mandates have enhanced online verification, reducing reactivation times. The grace period extension allows lines to remain active longer after expiration before requiring full reactivation. Here's how to reactivate your SafeLink service. First, check your account status on the SafeLink app or website to understand why your service was suspended. Next, gather proof of eligibility like a government ID or income verification using the IRS data retrieval tool in some states. Contact SafeLink support at 1-800-SafeLink or use the live chat feature in the app. Pay any outstanding balance, usually a minimum of $5 if applicable. Submit your documents digitally, often including biometric scans for faster approval. Finally, you should receive a confirmation message, and your service will resume automatically, typically within 1 to 3 days. Test your line to ensure it's working. Note that AI chatbots are increasingly used to handle inquiries, potentially streamlining the process.